I'm absolutely blown away by the Skinfix Barrier plus Exo plus Ectoin Intensive Repair Balm. As someone who's sensitive to retinol, I was thrilled to discover this retinol-free alternative that delivers impressive results. This silky serum balm is a game changer for my dry, combination skin. It provides instant hydration and barrier repair, leaving my skin feeling smooth, soft, and supple. The formula is incredibly gentle, yet effective, and I love that it's derm tested, hypoallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free. I've personally noticed a significant reduction in fine lines, dark spots, and redness. What sets this product apart is its unique blend of exosomes, vegan growth factors, and ectoin, which work together to regenerate and restore my skin. The addition of peptides, arnica, and allantoin provides an extra layer of soothing and nourishment. I highly recommend the Skin Fix Barrier plus Exo plus Ectoin Intensive Repair Balm to anyone looking for a gentle, effective, and retinol-free anti-aging solution. It's perfect for normal, dry, and combination skin types and is sure to deliver impressive results.